See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
The dog days of summer are back for Acadiana. So it was just one of those hot and humid days. Feel like temperatures getting up to around 106. Perfect to just get out there and in the pool and try and cool off any way possible. And that's going to be the trend the next couple days. More heat and humidity for our Monday and Tuesday. Very low rain chances. But we did have 1 or 2 isolated showers today, and that could be the same story tomorrow. Taking a look on that satellite and radar, you can see those isolated showers that we did have fire up a little earlier this afternoon, mainly south the interstate down around our coastal parishes during the afternoon. But you can see a lot of that is falling apart. We do have one cell here moving through Vermilion Parish. We had a couple fire up in St. Martin a couple hours ago, but now that activity is pushing out into the basin. And then we have a couple more firing up over towards the Lake Charles area, trying to make their way into Jeff Davis Parish, where we had another system earlier this afternoon towards the Iway area. But for the most part, we'll stay dry with plenty of sunshine and very hot and humid temperatures in the lower 90s is what we're dealing with right now. Across the rest of the Gulf Coast, things are really starting to get a little bit more on the active side as we have a bit more of that cloud cover and scattered shower activity just off to our east over towards Mississippi and Alabama and down into Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. But we have that area of high pressure kind of clearing out this area. That's going to continue to be in control for at least the next couple days, but gradually this moisture off to our east will be starting to slide our way and increase those rain chances by the time we head into Wednesday and in Thursday. Out in the tropics, we continue to have the very small storm that is subtropical Beryl still making its way through. It is this very small little area of circulation right there, just a little bit of convection off to the east. Winds, though, still up to around 40 miles per hour right in that near little center that it has, but are not expected to cause a whole lot of issues. Will maybe continue to be a subtropical storm for the next 12 or so hours, then become a remnant low tomorrow afternoon, and then quickly dissipate by the time we head into early Tuesday morning. Eventually, some of the shower activity could make its way up towards the Newfoundland area, but not expecting to cause too much of a concern for them and should remain pretty much a non-existent, just one of those storms for the fishes and not causing much of a concern for anyone here in the United States. Closer to home, nothing really going on over the next 12 hours or so. Clouds may be still with us through the overnight, waking up to that sunshine to head back to work, so grab the sunglasses tomorrow morning as you'll need it. Along with the hats, maybe a 1 or 2 isolated showers, again, mainly south of the interstate tomorrow afternoon, but the big story is just more heat and humidity for your Monday. Better shower chances out to the east over towards New Orleans, and that's where it's going to stay even going into our Tuesday. As you can see, better rain chances from New Orleans down the Grand Isle, but here locally in Acadiana, just maybe a 10-20% chance for an isolated shower as we push into our Tuesday. Then heading into Wednesday, as I mentioned, we'll be watching some tropical moisture over to our east, starting to head this way. But as by noon, still staying dry, but eventually some of that will begin to make its way in, maybe bumping those rain chances up to 30-40% by Wednesday afternoon. But the big story the next couple days is all about that heat and humidity. Feel like temperatures tomorrow afternoon topping out into those triple digits, maybe as high as 105 tomorrow afternoon, and pretty much the same story for your Tuesday. So just get ready for more heat and humidity the next couple days. A very muggy July night is what we got in store for our Sunday. Partly cloudy skies, and if you're looking out there, you can see Venus right near the moon a little later on tonight. 77 for the low. And then for your Monday, a typical summer day. Hazy, hot, and humid 93. Just that 10-20% chance for a stray shower, but most of us stay dry. Similar story for your Tuesday. Gradually, rain chances increase Wednesday and Thursday, maybe dropping temperatures a degree or two, but still in the lower 90s, feeling like the upper 90s. And then heading towards next weekend, it looks to be back to that very hot and humid conditions, 93 to 94, and very low rain chances.